Hello friends, I hope all you are safe and healthy. Today I will show you how to make motion detector using PIR. What is PIR? PIR is a passive infrared sensor. See, this is the PIR, passive infrared sensor. It detects the IR light. See, every living body emits the infrared light. So it detects these infrared light. Some of body emits less amount, some of body emits large amount. In this PIR there is two potentiometers. See, these are two potentiometers. These increase or from these potentiometer we can increase or decrease the sensitivity and the time delay. In the program we do not have access to increase or decrease the time delay of these PIR. Only from these potentiometer we can increase or decrease the time delay. In this project we can also interface the PIR sensor with light bulb, means AC light bulb. You can also use this PIR sensor in your home automation like this, that if you put this sensor in your home, then if there is no person in a room, then the light is automatically closed, because there is no movement, means there is no living being movement. Through this we can also save the electricity. I see this sensor in washrooms. If they put the sensor in your washroom, if there is no person, then the washroom light is turned off. Otherwise, if there is a person, the washroom light is automatically on. So you can use this sensor in various applications. This is PIR sensor. PIR sensor means passive infrared sensor. Let's see what is inside this sensor. See, inside this there is a small box, small rectangular box, which is made up of pyroelectric sensor. It detects the level of the radiation. Everything emits some radiation, some of emits larger radiation, means larger IR, some emits smaller IR radiation. It detects the level. This is the outer part of the sensor. See, if you see closely this part, see there are many small lenses. See, there are many small lenses. These are called the Fresnel lenses. These increase the range of this PIR sensor. See, if you see the sensor, there is two potentiometer. See, one name is SX and another name is TX. The SX increase or decrease the sensitivity of the PIR sensor, means it increase or decrease the range. The maximum range is 6 meter. And this is the TX. TX means this increase or decrease the time delay. See, the TX increase or decrease the time delay, and it ranges 0.3 second to 5 minutes. Let's see the parts required. Arduino Uno, two channel relay module. You can also use 4 channel relay module, but in this module I use only one relay. LED, 5-volt buzzer, PIR sensor, some jumpers wire, breadboard, and AC bulb. This AC bulb is connected to the relay. This is the VCC pin, this is the out pin, this is the ground pin. Connect red wire of PIR, means VCC of PIR is connected to Arduino 5-volt, and connect the brown wire of PIR, means the ground of PIR is connected to Arduino ground pin. Connect out pin of the PIR to Arduino pin 8. Now connect the LED bulb to pin 12 of the Arduino. Let's see the code. First of all, initialize the PIR sensor and LED. PIR sensor is connected to pin 8 of the Arduino. LED is connected to pin 12 of the Arduino. Inside void setup, connect PIR sensor as in input mode and LED is output mode. Inside void loop, this line means this line read the PIR sensor and save the reading in value variable, which is integer type, and after that show the value in serial monitor. There is a condition: if the value equals to high, then LED is turned on, else LED is turned off. In this project I use a buzzer and relay. For buzzer, all the code remains same. We simply connect the buzzer to pin 12 of the Arduino. For relay, all the code is same. We connect relay to pin 12 of the Arduino, and in here there is a small change: right, low and high. This is for relay, because the relay work on inverse signal, means if we give low signal, then relay turn on. If we give high signal, the relay turn off. See, when I place the hand in front of the PIR sensor, the LED will glow. When I move my hand, the LED will glow. When my hand is stopped, the LED automatically close. When I start the small movement, the LED will glow, and after that LED close, because my hand has no movement. When I make small movement, LED will glow, because when we start moving our hand, the body of human release IR light, so the PIR sensor detect the light. We can use this project for security purpose, means if we place the sensor in a security zone, if a burglar came, the sensor is automatically turned on because of the burglar movement. See, we can replace the LED with the buzzer. Positive is blue and the negative is green. Positive is connected to pin 12 and ground is connected to ground. Now I replace the relay with the buzzer. I use breadboard because we have only one 5-volt power supply in Arduino. We need to give the power supply to relay and the PIR, so we use breadboard. Ground is connected to here and the plus 5-volt is connected to here. Ground of PIR is connected to here and the 5-volt of PIR is connected to here. 5-volt of relay is connected here and ground of relay is connected here. IN1 pin is connected to pin 12 of the Arduino. See, when I place the hand in front of the PIR sensor, see the relay turn on. See, relay is turned off because I don't move my hand. See, when I move my hand. This is the another application of this project. Means if I put the AC bulb to relay, when we place this sensor to in our room, so if there is a movement in room, the bulb is turned on. If there is no movement in the room, the bulb is turned off. From this we can save the energy. If person in a room, then the bulb is turned on. If a person not in room, it means there is no movement in the room, the bulb is automatically turned off. We can also use fan also. In this we use in this we connect the fan, in this we connect the bulb, but in this video we connect only AC bulb. You can also use 4-channel relay to control many appliances. Now I connect the AC bulb. You can fix the bulb in your room and show movement. If your movement is stopped, then bulb is turned off. If your movement is start, the bulb is turned off. Not your hand movement, your entire body movement depend on this. Through this you can save your electricity. Thanks for watching and subscribe my channel. If you have any queries regarding to this project, then comment below, and after that I answer your comment. Always wear mask, follow social distancing, and stay safe.